This is Ken Leone, Vice President of Marketing here at Stock Rover, and in this video, I'll review the Stock Rover membership plans available to all investors. Let's first start with a quick summary of the available plans, and then we'll delve into each one a little deeper. Stock Rover offers three separate paid plans, each with a different set of capabilities and price point. We also offer a free plan. Additionally, we offer our research reports product, which can be purchased as a separate plan for those that just want detailed individual stock research reports. However, research reports can also be bundled into any of the Stock Rover plans. The free plan is ideal for investors that are interested in market data, news, investment ideas, and an earnings calendar, as well as the ability to do single stock research. You'll note that the items that are starred in the gray navigation pane are available only with paid membership plans. Under Layouts, we can chart an individual ticker, and we can also get additional insights on the ticker. There's lots of helpful information here related to valuation, growth, profitability, and more. We can also integrate and connect to brokerage accounts, so you can readily research and analyze without having to manually input positions or change positions. We provide an ideas panel that shows a screener of the week along with its top 10 picks, as well as two related featured screeners that can be queried for their top 10 picks. There's also a flexible and powerful earnings calendar provided. Clicking on a name in the earnings calendar will bring you to the Insight panel where you can learn more about the stock. Let's step up to the Essentials plan, which is ideal for investors that want what's available in the free plan, plus stock screening, investment comparison, portfolios, watch lists, alerting, and more. We see now that the gray navigation pane allows us to select groups of tickers for research and analysis, including indices, portfolios, watch lists, and screeners. The tooltips allows us to roll over a screener and get more detail. Note now that the table layout is enabled with Essentials and provides a flexible spreadsheet-like view for comparing multiple tickers. We can customize these views. We can customize the columns in the views. We can add columns to the views. Note that Essentials allows for all three layouts: table, chart, and insight to be viewed as a single pane of glass, making it easy to quickly perform research. Essentials also allows us to chart up to 5 years of history. If we look more closely at the Insight panel, we can display the fair value, margin of safety, and Stock Rover scoring for up to 10 stocks per month. Daily analyst ratings and rankings are also included. If we take a quick look at the metric browser and filter just on Essentials, we see that Essentials offers over 260 of the 650 available metrics. Essentials also gives us access to a library of Stock Rover assets, including screeners, portfolios, watch lists, views, and more metrics. The premium plan is the middle-tiered membership plan, and it's ideal for investors who want all the capabilities of the Essential plan, but more metrics, 10 years of data, ETF screening, advanced portfolio analytics, multi-monitor support, and more. Let's take a closer look. We see more historical data, 10 years versus the 5 years in Essentials. The table layout includes more capabilities. It allows investors to annotate and categorize tickers in the table with things like color, tags, comments, and notes. We can also expand the layouts into separate windows, making it even easier to perform advanced analytics. Premium's ranked screening allows us to rank stocks by weighting the importance of the metrics in the screener. You also get the ability to screen on historical data and the ability to screen ETFs. You get portfolio analytics. We see value over time, risk and reward, holdings details. Premium also allows you to compute future dividend income. You can get it at the portfolio level, the holdings level, or even the summary level. You also get trade planning and rebalancing. Correlation analysis helps you diversify your portfolio. Weekly correlated assets provide the only free lunch in investing. You can determine the correlations between stocks, ETFs, indices, and even portfolios and watch lists over any date range. Metrics. Let's screen for just premium and essentials together. We see we have 359 of the 658 available metrics. Premium Plus is the top tiered plan, and it's ideal for investors who want everything that Stock Rover Premium offers, plus Stock Rover's most advanced screening and charting capabilities. Let's start with the fact that Stock Rover Premium Plus comes with 300 plus additional metrics over Stock Rover Premium, so a total of 650 plus metrics. When it comes to screening, you can use equations in your screeners with Stock Rover Premium Plus. This allows you to do the math on the historical data to greatly extend Stock Rover's screening capabilities. Here we see an equation where we are screening for tickers with an earnings per share for the most recent quarter 18% higher than Q4. If we look at our Petrosky High F-score screener, we show the leveraging of multiple equations. To edit a screener, we simply right-click and update. Clicking on any of these icons will allow us to edit the screener. Custom metrics are also available to you in Premium Plus. Here is an example of a custom metric. You can see that return on capital employed is calculated based on this equation. Looking at the Insight panel, we get unlimited access to Stock Rover's ratings facility, our advanced stock ratings report that lets you know at a glance how a company is performing in many different areas, including growth, profitability, balance sheet strength, capital efficiency, and more. We give you explicit scores and rankings based on an in-depth, sophisticated analysis of the data. You can see which stocks we like and why. In the Insight panel, we see a summary, but we can drill to get more detail. You also get unlimited access to warnings. So this ticker has 2 warnings. Warnings find things that are hard to notice or would require a lot of manual work to figure out. Stock Rover looks for 29 separate issues that make a stock riskier and less desirable from an investment standpoint. Let me expand charting for a moment. Let's plot Apple versus Microsoft. We'll go back 2 years. Let's add a ratio chart, and this is unique to Stock Rover Premium Plus. Ratio charts allow investors to see the relationship between 2 different sets of time series data. For example, what we'll show here is how Apple is performing price-wise relative to Microsoft over time. So Apple, in this instance, will be the numerator. Microsoft will be the denominator. We can see that Apple underperformed Microsoft till about May of 2019, where it then began outperforming Microsoft, especially lately. We can also add technicals to ratio charts. Let's change the ratio chart, and we're going to add the simple moving average. We can now see that Apple is way above its 50-day SMA, and this kind of outperformance is probably unsustainable. Ratio charts are highly adjustable. We can change technicals, and we can also change the metrics. Let's chart using the PE ratio. We can see that Apple's outperformance is because the market is awarding Apple a much higher PE. We can see it used to be about a quarter of Microsoft's, and now it's about the same. As we can see, the ratio charts in Premium Plus greatly expands your charting capabilities. Stock Rover research reports provide a comprehensive, on-demand summary on the over 7,000 plus stocks we track on the US and Canadian exchanges and can be purchased standalone or bundled with a paid Stock Rover subscription. The research and analytics are performed at the very moment you make the request for the report, so you're always rest assured that the analytics in your research report are current as of the moment the report was created. The research report makes it very easy to perform a deep dive into any stock with a single click of the mouse. Everything you could want to know about that stock is incorporated into the report. And the information, as you can see, is displayed in a clear and well-structured way, making it effortless to perform comprehensive research on the company. For a more detailed comparison of Stock Rover's membership options, you'll want to visit our Compare Plans page. This page really does an excellent job showing the differences between the Stock Rover membership plan options. For plan pricing, please see stockrover.com/plans. We offer both monthly and yearly subscriptions. Please note that the pricing we see here is in effect as of the time of this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this to be useful and informative.